Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a high quality Dofollow backlink. So the website name is grabcat.com and now we can start. Before that we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 78 and the spam score is 0% and the domain authority 72, and this website having 3.6 million monthly visitors. This is a very good, and the mostly traffic from USA, India, Turkey, Germany and Vietnam. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So now we can start. So this is a dashboard. If you guys are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see there is a sign in button. You can click over there. And after that you can see there is a create account button. You can click over there. There you guys can choose your name, your email ID, then you guys can choose your location, then after that you can add your phone number, then you guys can choose your role. Then you guys have to add your company name, industry vertical, then you guys have to choose a company size, then you can click for the sign up button. Then after that this website can send you a verification email. So now we can check our Gmail ID. So confirm your email 729. Yeah, we received it. So we can verify your profile. So you guys see we have verified our profile. So let me check. So you can go with my profile section, and there is a edit profile button. You can click over there, and after that there you guys can add your business name. Then after that you guys can add your main targeted keywords. So for me, best video and interviewing software. In the about section there you guys can add a company description. And then you guys have to choose your cover picture. For now I don't have cover picture, so I can ignore these things. And after that you can going to add software skills. So if you have any things are related are mentioned there now, so you guys can choose. And after that there you guys can add your social details. And there you guys can add your Facebook URL, the username, and the same with also the LinkedIn. So there we can add, and the we have added all the things, and after that we can click for the save changes, and once again we can click for the edit. Then after that we can update a profile image. We had updated all the things, and you can see this is our landing page URL, and I can show you our backlinks. So where we have added, let me try to add in the description section, because of there is no any option we can add. Yeah, so let me try to add the video interview software. And the keyword is this. Let me check. Profile has been updated, but if we can add hyperlink our description with the help of a HTML source, why is this things happened? Okay, so if we can add a description over there, so is this things to going to, we cannot add any URL in the description section, so we can ignore these things now. Yeah, so you can see, and I can show you social media links. So is this not any sense? So you can check. So for the social media is do follow or no follow. So also there is a option to we can yeah, and there now is a upload button. So you can see, and let me check, we can upload something. So there is a image, description tag, and the video URL. Yeah, got it. So we have option to we can upload videos. Sorry. Okay, so we can upload images, and also you guys can choose your image name, description tag, and the video URL. So you guys can choose your thumbnail, and you guys can start publishing from there now. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project, and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can connect me easily. And for the last, if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.